Mr. Speaker, in fact, this school was once the best national award-winning school. They are the only JHS school, public school, who used urine to come out with electricity energy. So it's a yes.
Thank you very much. That is.
So, Mr. Speaker, yes, it's Saint Anthony of Padua.
Saint Anthony of Padua.
Maybe they will help us in solving our dumsor sometime to come.
The member for Kwesi has made a very profound disclosure on the exploits by the school. He said urine, but I would want him to clarify what a human urine or Mr. Speaker, is it that of human or some other living animals? And then also he says that perhaps there should be investment there to solve the dumsor problem. These are his words, not mine. He said that perhaps these are your words. In future, it should be used to solve dumsor. These were his words. In future, to be used to solve dumsor. So he acknowledges future dumsor.